No, I would juke you with the fork today.
See, we start early.
No. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Mackerel, aka Dyce Gayle. Jamaican talk.
Jamaican talk. So, yes, we have tin mackerel and we have some plantains as well. But before we dig in, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We're back. Come on, guys. You know I'm not even gonna do it. First, I do your thing because I already know.
Well, we are ready to dig in as usual. You know we don't take long for intro. We don't play no games on this channel. We have tin mackerel. We do have a video on how we've made this. And I will link it somewhere up here, the normal, but it's gonna be towards the end, so you guys can watch this video first and then go check that video out.
Yes. You have more rice than me. I can tell that, even though mine look more. But let me see.
No, I would juke you with the fork today.
See, we start early.
No,
listen.
Richie,
Why?
This is my favorite. It's one of my favorite tin mackerel. Make sure you stay on your side.
All I want to do is taste your rice and see if it tastes like mine, because your rice look different from mine.
No, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you.
One taste?
No.
Okay.
Taste your side.
All right.
Come over here and
see
see
that?
I'm gonna juke you with a fork.
She got more rice than me. No, look at my side and look at her side.
Listen. So this is tin mackerel. This is something that we eat in Jamaica. Again, we still eat it. Ooh, it's hot. We eat it in Jamaica to this day.
See that steam?
Oh my goodness.
Easy recipe.
Yeah, man. I'm just gonna break up the rice.
Break it up a menu.
So I can see. So I can see it.
Thank you very much.
The greedy family. I don't know. You guys don't understand my. You know, it's so hot. It's so steamy, guys.
It is hot.
Let me explain something to you.
We actually know.
This is not. Richie's not doing this because he's on camera. This is an everyday thing with Richie. Everyday thing.
She have more food than me. Look at it. This is mackerel right there. Tin mackerel. Easy recipe.
You guys know we love plantains. Well,
You know.
I gotta have plantain with every meal when I can find it.
Yeah, and it's not frozen. I'm gonna tell people what frozen probably nobody else, yeah. So family, what's up? What's up? We are back. No? This is like
It's hot.
a regular dish in Jamaica too. You don't have to eat this with rice soon.
That's right.
You get anything, boiled dumpling, food, aka food or first place, yeah? Fried dumpling, can you do it with bread, whatever.
Oh yeah. I like it. I like it with fried dumpling, but my number one thing is rice.
Yeah. So this is in the tomato sauce, Grace one. Nice.
It's really good, honey.
The pepper them weak, you know. Them pepper them no. Where they get them pepper? Them pepper them weak, you know, man.
Weak man.
Family, I put 5 pepper in this food,
You did.
and I don't taste nothing. So you know, I gotta go for the last of it. Gotta make it stretch.
A Grace.
Grace, you see me? I'll let me, Grace. Yeah.
If you go to a Jamaican household and they're making dinner, they're gonna have plantains.
I have to.
Okay? Plantains or pear, aka avocado. But the reason why I like rice with the mackerel, or like rice with curry chicken, because I can sop up the gravy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The gravy is the main thing. You have to have that gravy. For some reason, we just love gravy.
I know.
For all the gravy lovers. Trust me. Sometimes, I'd rather the gravy than the meat. For real.
That's true.
When we go to Jamaican restaurant, order food, It's an extra gravy. They said, "What? You want to drown it?" I said, "Yeah, drown it, biggie, drown it, man."
But
I get more than me, man. I try to get more than mine.
oh my goodness, dear Lord, please restrain me from jigging Richie with the fork. Jesus,
She ain't gonna
I
do me.
pray. Amen.
I'm helping you, cause look, you see, you scared her out, but you didn't scare her out enough that you could get it close to you. So I'm bringing it closer to you while I'm eating something. Watch your face, man.
I just
Just what?
nothing, honey. Nothing.
You mess up your nice dress and that thing.
Because I'm trying to.
That's why you don't want to give me no yes. You mess up your hand. So
Now I
family,
forgot what I was going to say.
you want to tell me take some of the rice. Family, so how's your day going? Y'all chillaxing? Yeah? Oh, y'all never ate tin mackerel before? It's alright. But a lot of stuff we never ate. Good to try it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Because some of you guys, some of them, they have channels.
Yeah, they have channels, yeah.
So we watch their channels too. Just letting you guys know. We watch you guys' channel also. To try our best to support each other. And sometimes you'll eat something that I'm like, wow, I've never had that before. And I want to try it.
That's true. Don't come over here, no. Don't come over here with the mackerel, my youth. Don't play with my mackerel. I don't play with my mackerel. Yes, and this is mackerel. This is a fish. This is a fish you could catch in the ocean too. Mackerel. But
We caught one before, honey.
yeah. We caught mackerel before too. But this one is just in tomato sauce, you know? Yeah. Yep. We love
Excuse
this. We love this.
Yeah, this is a oh, that's what I was gonna say. This is a quick weekday meal.
Yeah.
And this could have went also with our $5 or less week.
Yeah.
But because
True.
we already made it before, I wanted to give you guys different options.
Yeah.
Because it was 2 cans, and it could feed a family of 4.
Yeah.
And it was $5, $2.50 for 1 can. So you can't beat that.
You know, so we get a little bit of food.
I wonder if I gave you my side.
You didn't give me your side. That's
No,
what
I
I'm trying to tell you.
I didn't.
Family, see my food already done. I already took like five bites out of it already.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna eat some of my food, so just go ahead and eat some of my food, because it don't make no sense I fight you.
I am, because my food done already. Yeah, because my side done already. Look how fast my side done already. I got to help her. So what if I help her?
Guys, I have to just give up.
Currently, I didn't get a lot. So you know that. And I love mackerel. I don't care if I help her. My food. We eat from both sides.
That's right.
That's
Go
right.
ahead. Go ahead, honey. Just do your thing.
Yeah. I'm a helper. I still done mine before her. Nice from helper, right?
No, it's not. It tastes good.
Damn.
I'm trying to put words in my mouth.
This mackerel tastes good, yo.
Put your foot in it.
And if you do, make sure you watch that video, cause put some secret stuff.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Easy. Oh yes. And I'm a pro eating one hand. Is when you're greedy, you can eat one hand. I don't need to move. I'm good. Once I got the fork in my right hand, I just eat.
That is true.
You know what I'm saying? I mastered right doing the mukbang with First Lady. Yeah. Because you know why it's so easy? Because the food is not moving. Like if I have a dish, I'd have to bring the dish up closer. This, I just sit down and just eat. Get me? So I'm good with that one hand, you know? It may look hard, but
I'm not gonna lie, you're a pro with the one hand though.
See? My 2 hand work.
It looked like you was raising the roof.
My 2 hand work. But I just like, you know what I'm saying?
That was funny.
I just take my time and just work with my right hand. I could use my left hand too.
Well, you're greedy, you can use both hands.
I'm ambidextrous. So the word go.
That's how you go.
That's the word, right? Ambidextrous.
If you say so.
Yeah, that's right. Ambidextrous mean you can use your both hands.
Yeah, man.
Right, family? Tell me if I'm right.
It's all your food spill.
Don't worry, man.
I'm pretty sure you're right.
Nobody not get my food today. Come in and drop off nothing.
You're a smart man.
Damn, this was good.
I love plantains.
You got plantain? Yeah. But yeah, family. I want you to try this. Just
Honey.
add this to a next $5 meal.
That's true. Honey, you have a story time for them today?
Yeah. Let me eat some food first, no?
No, I'm just asking you. Mine, you know.
My family, let me eat first before I tell my story because I know you like the story time. Eat some food first. I eat some of your. Yeah. Your side nicer than my side, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man, your side.
You're so annoying.
Yo, your side juicy than my side, yo, for real. You put something different on your side, cause my side don't taste like that.
My side is because I'm eating my food and taking my time. I'm a lady.
I mean,
I'm a lady.
I want to take my time too.
No, y'all rush my heel.
I'm not, you see? I'm taking my time and just chew my food. I'm not cut and swallow there. Yeah. Family, her side tastes better than mine today. I don't know why is that. What you think? She got more gravy? You know what I'm saying? Alright.
I tell you, boy.
Story time for y'all. I know you like the stories. This was. Ooh. Somebody want it.
Me, you know?
That's the one you read. I'm keep it out. This was in New York. Growing up in the church life. Right? As I said before in the video, my whole family was raised on a 7-day Adventist. For all who don't know what 7-day Adventist mean is, we worship on Saturdays. You know what I'm saying? So, my family don't, 7-day Adventist not supposed to eat meat. No shrimp, we eat fish.
They eat meat, they just can't eat shellfish.
Shellfish, stuff with shellfish, yeah.
The reason why Richie don't know that part because him yam everything.
Yeah, me yam everything. I'm a big man. So anyway, growing up in the church life, my mother, you know what I'm saying? Fridays, from Friday when sunset till sunset Saturday, we can't do nothing. Can't watch TV, can't do nothing. The most we can do is probably listen to a radio. We can't go outside, we can't shop, we can't do nothing. That's the 7-day Adventist stuff, right?
Wow.
So, while I was growing up, I was in high school. About like 15. I'm like, 15 going on 16. So, my mother used to go to church Monday for prayer meeting, Tuesday for prayer meeting, Wednesday for prayer meeting. I'll go to church every single day from Monday to Friday to Saturday, right? Because they always having something in church. Either the choir have a rehearsal or they're doing some stuff for church. So now, I'm in high school now.
Wow.
Right? Family? Y'all with me? I know, if I get sweet, I'm gonna put up my food closer. Because the food look like it's sneaking out my plate while I'm talking to y'all. So, every Friday now, as I told you before, when sunset, I can't do nothing. So, my school always keep parties. You know, when you're in high school, they be having parties. You know, them parties be turned up. But they always choose to keep the parties on a Friday when I can't come out.
Who you going to party with?
My youth, my party animal, my youth. Me never know that's my youth. Me never say give a beer wine. Yeah. Me and you party my youth. So, yo. All my friends used to always go to the parties them. And I could never go. Because it's my Sabbath. Because I know I was living with my mother, so I have to live by my mother's rules. You know what I'm saying? And I used to be mad. They always throwing parties and I always miss them. I said, alright. This time they throw a party. I said to my friend, I said, next time, when they throw a party, I'm not missing this one because they tell me how much fun they have and all kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I said, all right. I had everything planned out. Excuse me. So I have everything planned out. My mother now, you know, that's your plan.
Thank you.
My mother, I'll get back to later. When my mother fall asleep, she sleep dead. Right, First Lady?
Dead.
Okay.
When I say dead,
Dead. She's always been like that.
She snore like a truck. You swear a truck. You ever been in Jamaica? You hear the truck and zoom by?
I drop big here. Yeah. Yeah, big gear shall change. So
you know I love your mother-in-law.
I know you watch it. So listen now. So I said, all right, I got something planned out for her. You know she don't know about this story, and I'm telling it.
Really?
Because I was a good kid.
Yeah, right.
But that one fight. So anyway, I said I got a plan for her. When she's sleeping, I'm gonna sneak out. So I used to watch cartoons and I see people like movies with the kids, and when they try to sneak out of their house, they put pillows under their bed. But where I live right off the street side, right? In New York is different, so the house is on the road. And my bedroom was to the window. So I could sneak through my window. So I said, all right, I'm a catcher. So they was having this party at the school. And I said, I'm not missing this party. And I had to go to church in the morning. I said, I'm not missing this party, so okay. So I got something for you, mommy. I'll wait till she drop asleep. Alright? Take time, screech and go peep in the room and make sure she's sleeping. Went in my room, locked the room door. Got my pillow there. I got like 3 pillows. I used to have a lot of pillows on my bed. Like 3 pillows. I set them up in a way it look like it's me on the bed with my covers and something like is over my head. So sneaky man. Never got dash man, never got dance man. So I did it, right? I put everything together like I'm sleeping. I'm in the bed and whatever. I locked my room door and I couldn't watch TV because it was Friday. So that's alright. Snuck through the window.
What your father said?
Huh? My father know about it, man.
Your father know about it? Yeah. So you snitch on him now?
So I snuck out to the party and I didn't even drive. And them time I could have drive too. What did I do? Did I ride my bicycle or did I walk? Because my school wasn't so far from where I live. You know what I'm saying? So I walked to the party, met up with my friend down the block, went to the party, had fun, did my thing, dance, whatever.
Who you dancing with?
Nobody, I don't know you. So I know First Lady that time. I First Lady was the other dance First Lady. Now listen, we had mad fun and stuff right there at the party. Because you know high school party is a good party there, man.
It's a good party.
So, did my thing, came back home. When I came back home, it was still like, cause you know the party don't last for long. Because high school is like about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Cause you know they start early, like about 9 o'clock. So when I came back, my mother didn't miss one beat.
Really?
Still knocked out. I said, God damn, I should have gone to the next school.
That be a
Yeah.
and go to the next party.
I wonder what to do. You done your food already?
I sure did.
Wow.
Why wouldn't I finish?
So you were taking some of mine?
No.
She was taking some of mine while talking? You see? That's why I like telling stories sometimes because I don't know what's going on now because I get caught up in my story. I'll watch back in the video.
Richie.
You took some of mine for your First Lady?
The reason why I'm finishing for you because you ate my food.
No, but you take some from here?
No. And if I did what?
She did took some, yeah, did you see? She did take some, see? That's why she want me to tell stories, you know, because I can't get to eat my food fast before she reach it.
I did not.
No, you took some of my food for real?
No, I did not.
Okay.
But, okay.
So wait, let me finish story.
Oh, go ahead.
I know she took some because I know you're on First Lady side, Team Shanice.
Oh, boy.
So, I came back, sneak back through my window, lock up at my window, checked on and see my mother still sleeping. Boom, went right to sleep. I was tired, but that's how I used to go to parties. I used to sneak out when it was on a Friday.
Listen,
but that was a short story time. So if you ever did something like that,
time.
If you ever did something like that growing up as a kid, or if you're at school, you used to have parties and y'all wanted to go, and for some reason y'all couldn't go, and y'all did something like that, comment up. That was a long time. That was years ago. You know what I'm saying? But that's it. So my mother is strict. I mean, savage. That's why she got to do it to her grandkids now. Do it to your grandkids. Okay? My time is done.
I didn't sneak out of school. My sister, out of the house. My sister
That was
did that. My
delicious.
sister did that. I was bad in school, but good at home. My sister was good in school, but bad at home. But that's not another story time. But this was delicious, honey, and that was a good story.
No, yeah, there must have more food. That me I talk about.
Tell people.
Pastor Rich in the building again. All right. All right. I don't look back, but when I do, it's to look at the opponent. I don't look back, but when I do, it's to look at the opponent. So now, put it in your word. I just put my name in it, so you put yourself in it. You see what I'm saying? We don't look back. And the only reason why we look back is what?
For our opponent.
The haters on that
The
side.
haters.
You feel me?
Gotta watch them.
Watch the haters. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. Do your thing first, lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye. Rasta Impress.